Okay, so we finished configuring the PCA. PCA was able to ping R1. Now we're going to walk out of the CEO's office and walk down the hall into the CFO's office. Second in command gets their PC configured an IP address. So left click on their PC, or you're sitting in front of it, so you turn it on. You go to IP configuration to configure an IP address. So the IP address of the CFO's PC is on a separate network, the 172.16.1. And this is going to be 1.10 for this host IP address. Now remember, this is a /24. In this example, this is a /24. Okay, so you want to make sure that you give it the proper configuration. So it shouldn't be 18 because the 255 represents 8 fully occupied host bits or network bits, another 8 after this first octet, that's 16. So that means this has to also be 255. Now, if you don't understand fully what this means, I recommend that you go on YouTube and search CertBros and go to binary, or you can go to Dan's courses webpage or his YouTube channel and look up subnetting, and that should be explained. So default gateway is going to be 172. It's going to be the router's G00 interface, 172.16.1.1. Okay, so now this is configured. Let's go to command prompt, left click, and let's ping. Let's try this out. Let's ping our default gateway, 172.16.1.1. And we have success. Okay, now what we probably should have done first was verify IP configuration. So we can say ipconfig and hit enter, and you'll see that 172.16.1.10 is your IPv4 address that you configured. 255.255.255.0 is the /24 subnet mask that you configured, as well as the default gateway you configured. Everything's there. We know we can ping our own default gateway on the same network, but can we ping PCA? This is PCB. Ping 192.168.1.10. That is PCB. Hit enter. And yes, we can. We get 100% 4 packets sent, 4 packets received, 0 loss. It's 100% complete. So, what was the goal of this lab? Well, after everything is configured, when finished, you should be able to successfully ping from PCA to PCB. This is the logical view. We did this in the physical view. So first, so if we look at the logical view, this is the logical view. PCA to switch 1 to R1, R1 to switch 2 to PCB. Okay, now in the physical view, we have two PCs. So if I were to go back to where we started, here we started in this town, and in this town we went into, or in the state, and in the state we went into the town, and in the town we went into the building, and in the building we have all these rooms, and in the rooms we have different networking equipment, and through the walls we have copper cables that are connecting to these wall mounts. So we selected PCs, we created wall mounts, connected to wall mounts, and we went into the wiring closet, put down the patch panel, connected the wall mounts to the patch panel, mounted 2 switches, mounted the router, which is how you do it in real life, screwed it into the rack, and